Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to connect Namecheap domain to your Shopify store in 2026. So if you already bought a domain from Namecheap and you want that domain to point to your Shopify store, the process for that will be very easy. So the first thing you'll like to be logged in into your Shopify store and make sure to go to the settings on the bottom left. Once you do so, here on this left panel, make sure to go to domains. So once you go and click on domains right here, you'll find two options. You'll find buy new domain and connect existing one. So go and click on connect existing one, and all you need to do, just go and enter the domain name that you have on your Namecheap. You can go to this list panel, click on expired, and make sure you choose domains. And here you should find the domain that you have. All you need to do, just copy that domain, enter it right here, and click on next. As an example, for me, I'm just going to enter like a random domain. But let me just show you. So here, once you click on next, they will show you the steps now on how to connect it. So first of all, check in DNS records. You'll need to log into the provider, open DNS management, and add this record to verify the domain ownership. So you'll need to add the following record: a TXC type. The name will be Shopify verification. Current value, you can leave it empty and update it to this exact option. So once you do so, of course, you'll need to go to DNS settings, basically of that specific domain. And as we said, enter that. After this, you'll need to add these new DNS records. The type A, the name it's going to be at, and here you'll need to put this specific code or numbers. After that, the type will be CNAME. You'll need to add another record. It should be CNAME, and the name will be www, and you need to update it to this. And then once you finish adding all those, click on updated DNS records. Now, what Shopify will do, it will basically check your DNS. If it's failed, you'll need to wait 10 to 30 minutes and try again. Normally, DNS propagation can take up to 24 hours. So that delay is normal. You don't have to get worried if it didn't work for you the first time or the first minute, as an example. So the delay is very normal and unavoidable. So basically, once you come back, as an example, max after 1 day, it's the maximum, you can go and check again, and it should be connected. If it's not connected, you'd probably have, as an example, a mistake with, or you entered something wrong. So make sure to come back and do it all over again. So now, once it is connected, the Shopify will automatically issue the SSL or HTTPS, and SSL can take a few minutes to several hours. Do not enable external SSS. Shopify will handle this for you. So if it doesn't work by any chance, sometimes there are some common like problems, and I'll tell you the fixes of them as well. Of course, sometimes you enter like a wrong record, this specific record, and basically if you entered a wrong IP here, make sure to fix that. You can go and check if it's the right IP. Make sure to just use this copy and paste it right there so you don't enter anything by mistake. Make sure that you don't have, in the DNS settings, have an extra record. If you have, other than the one that's right here, delete it. Of course, maybe you have some wrong CNAME targets as well. If you do have the CNAME targets wrong, make sure to update it, and it must be shopify.my or shops.myshopify.com. Again, use the copy button and paste it right there. And finally, sometimes there is a problem of changed name servers recently, so you'll just have to wait longer. But as I said, it should not take more than 1 day. If it takes more than 1 day, you'll have to contact the support. So 99% of issues are DNS mistakes that's entered manually by people. If you entered everything correctly, it should work nicely without any problems. And that will basically be it for you. Now, how to check if it's working? You can simply just go to the URL that you entered in a new tab, a new private tab as example. You can try to go to the specific like domain. Of course, I just entered a random domain, so this is not even working, but it should take you to the store. Like you're going to click right here and click on view your store. So And this URL should not be this. It should be, as example, the URL from your Namecheap. So example, something like this, or any URL that you have. Of course, if you still haven't bought any Namecheap domain, you can also buy it from Shopify. If you go to settings again, click on domains again, and from here you'll be able to click on buy a new domain. You can choose the domain that you want and click on search. Once you click on search, of course, you'll find here the domains and you'll find the price, and you can buy whatever you want from Shopify. So as you can see, you'll find .com, which is here $16 per year. And you can find, as example, other alternatives, .net, .org if you want cheaper, .store, it's more cheaper as example, but sometimes you'll have to look really, really good because they will tell you, oh, it's $15 per year, but it's only the first year. After that, you'll have to pay more. As example, .store, it's $9 first year, but after that, you'll have to pay $50. .shop, you'll have to pay $9, but after that, you'll have to pay $40. This tricks will be in all the domains or all the domain providers like Namecheap. So you'll have to keep an eye for that and look closely for those options. And basically, that's how you connect a Namecheap domain to Shopify in 2026. So I hope that video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.